Okay, put it in reverse. Can you hear that? Okay, it's neutral, now it's drive. When I come to a red light, you can hear. That's just rattling. So what I've been doing is putting it into neutral so it doesn't rattle no more. But I'm going to crawl underneath and have a look. Even though this is a low car, we'll have a look. Okay, I'm out of the car. It's in park, and she's going to put it into drive. And there's one heat shield that's close up to the motor, and the other one is about 2 feet away. No, it's not that one. It's the one lower. This is the heat shield. That clamp is loose. So I use hose clamps to hold it here. And there. Okay, put it into drive. Oh, put it into park. Under the car. I'm behind the tire. But I'm not underneath the car. That's fine, I'm behind the tire. Okay, put it into drive again. Yeah, so I will have to tighten these up. But sometimes when you just bang them, it changes the position and it'll be okay. And I'm just giving it a quick shot of water because it's a little bit warm. Okay. I'll show you what's making the rattling. When it comes over here and it rattles. See when it slides down? When I'm over here holding the shield together. Now if I push it far up, see it doesn't rattle no more. So I'm going to bang it as far up this way and put another clamp right here to hold it in there. So it won't slip back here. I could try squeezing the metal here, but I don't think this hose clamp is strong enough to do that. A muffler clamp is. But a hose clamp, I doubt if it'll squish that metal. So I'm going to go right here. This one's holding it together, and this one's holding it so it won't slide back and rattle. This clamp has been on there for like years.